Oh my gosh. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I feel like I've said that 5 or 6 times. You're probably wondering, Kyla, what the heck is going on? There's a little bit of tension, a little bit of energy, and I'll be real with you. I have tried to film this video at least 3 times. And as a viewer, you may go, yeah, whatever, I don't care. Let's get into the video. But between no Wi-Fi connection and me not being able to use my computer and a million planes flying overhead and every child in my neighborhood deciding to play right outside my house, there's a plane. The world is against me filming this video. I have this unwavering stubbornness to get this video filmed. So we are here. We are doing this video. Yeah. Today, I'm going to show you how you can blow your competition out of the water as an affiliate marketer and share with you a secret hack that all the best affiliate marketers in the world are doing right now to make money online. So if that's something you're interested in watching, then just keep watching. The first thing I want to address in this video is why the heck do you need bonuses? And the reason I'm talking about this is because it helps you create an offer for your customers. Now, if you don't know what an offer is or you want to dive deeper into learning how to build an offer, I have a video on this channel that I will link down below or have it in a card somewhere up here that you can go check out. But I think the perfect way to illustrate to you guys how important bonuses are and why you should be building them in your affiliate marketing business is actually a story about my friend. A little while ago, Russell Brunson, who talks extremely fast on camera, he has terrible handwriting when it comes to whiteboards, but he is an awesome entrepreneur and is someone who actually co-founded ClickFunnels, which is a funnel building software, was getting ready to launch his new book, Traffic Secrets. And this was going to be the 3rd book he was releasing. He was pumped. He was excited to get this book out to the rest of the world. And he decided to hold an affiliate marketing contest. So anyone who was an affiliate for this book or wasn't could sign up and participate in this contest. So if you made a certain amount of sales, you got X, Y, and Z. So this contest was huge. And all of the affiliate marketers out there, or all the good ones, they went and decided to build their own unique bonuses to entice people to buy this book from them. And so one day I saw my friend and I was like, hey, did you hear about the new book Traffic Secrets coming out? I'm so excited. Did you get your copy? And he turns to me and he's like, yeah, I've gotten like 7 books so far and I'm just about to order my 8th. And I was like, what the heck? Why do you need 8 of the same book? Like, isn't one enough? And he was like, well, Kyla, this entrepreneur is offering this amazing bonus, which is what I want. So I bought the book from them. And then I saw, a few other entrepreneurs that I love to follow. They were offering these bonuses. So I got the book from them. And so he ended up buying like 8 or 9 copies of the same book just to get the bonuses from the other entrepreneurs he is following. And I think that is a great example of the power that bonuses have when it comes to affiliate marketing and help you stand out in the crowd. The great thing about bonuses is, one, it allows you to ethically bribe people to buy from you. Now, don't go watch this video and decide, all right, I'm gonna pretend to offer all these bonuses, put all these cool things out there, people buy from you and you don't deliver. Please don't do that. Please be ethical. But by adding bonuses, you help entice people to buy the product more. And just like this story with my friend, he didn't just go buy 1 copy, he bought through multiple people's links and helped get them a commission because he loved their bonuses so much. And 2, it helps push people over the edge. So there might be people who are excited about the product you're promoting as an affiliate marketer, but they're still on that edge. Adding a few of your very own bonuses will help push them over that edge and buy through your link. Number 3 is, if you're smart about your bonuses, you can actually help improve the product and help people get results faster. People, when they're looking to buy products, they're looking to get a certain result. And so if you can help them get that result faster, that not only increases the trust that these people have with you, which will help you with future business, but now you're also adding real value and you're helping these people more than you could before. And lastly, it helps you stand out in the crowd. If you're an affiliate marketer, the chances are high that there are a lot of other people out there who are promoting the same products that you are. And there's going to be a little bit more competition nowadays with affiliate marketing being more popular, but by utilizing bonuses and creating them, that's going to help you stand out and help you make more sales online. Before I jump in and give you guys some ideas of what you can create for bonuses, I want to give you 2 important guidelines. The first guideline is please make your bonuses relevant to the product you're promoting. So let's say you're an affiliate for some beauty products, you want people to buy that product through your link. Don't go offering a bonus on how to grow your Instagram. It just doesn't make sense with the product. So make sure that they're relevant to what you're selling. And a great thing you can ask yourself when deciding what bonuses to create is, here's my product, is my bonus a great complement to this? And again, will it help them get the results faster or help them understand something better or whatever it is? Make sure it is complementary to that product. The second guideline is make sure you add a monetary value onto these bonuses. This not only increases the perceived value of the affiliate product you're promoting, but it also helps people just estimate and understand what they're truly getting. Now, I want to make this disclaimer. When it comes to adding monetary value onto your bonuses, don't be astronomically crazy out there. If a bonus that you're offering is not worth $1,000, then don't put that it's worth $1,000. People will see that and then it will actually turn them away from buying from you, which is something we don't want. So if you're sitting here going, well, Kyla, I don't know what to put. Is this worth 500? Is this worth 700? Is this worth 15? If you're not sure, try and look at other people's, either if they have affiliate offers with bonuses or if there's other products out there. What are people typically charging for those products? And that will help you get a ballpark of what to put as that monetary value. It doesn't need to be spot on, but as long as it's within reason, then people will understand that this is truly value they're getting. You're adding this onto the product. It then becomes a no-brainer that they should buy that product through your affiliate link. Now it is time for us to talk about what can you actually offer for bonuses. And I'm here to give you a series of ideas so you're not here sitting stuck on like, I don't know what to offer people. So I have split up these ideas into 4 categories: written word, spoken word, physical products, and miscellaneous. A couple of bonuses you could add related to the written word is, 1, you could write a book. I know writing a book can take a lot more time and be a lot more work compared to some of the other ideas I'm going to share with you, but a book is a great asset to have to offer as a bonus on top of an affiliate product. What you could also do is, instead of writing the entire book yourself, if you're not really a writer, you could write an outline for a book or idea or something you're passionate about, and then go and hire a ghostwriter to actually fill in the outline and write everything for you. So you can do this by going to sites like Fiverr, that's 5 with 2 R's, and hire people to write for you, and then you can edit it and do the things you need to make it a great book and offer it as a bonus. PDFs also make great bonuses, so if you wanted to go and write a couple pages in a PDF that relate to the product you're selling, that's a great bonus to offer. And you can also offer PLR products.
So what does PLR actually mean? So PLR is private label rights, and basically in internet marketing, this is a license that allows authors of certain things to give you all or most of the intellectual property of that work, meaning you have the rights now to sell it and claim that work as your own. So let's say your niche is golf. So we're going to search golf and then just search PLR right after that. And automatically it comes up with a couple things. So let's click on this top one and see what happens. So now you can see these are some books that you can buy as a PLR and offer them. So let's say your niche is golf, but even more specifically, it's female golfers. So what you can do is you can come in and buy this book for just $4. And this now gives you the rights to sell this book. You can offer it as a bonus, claim authorship, all this stuff. You can sell this as a product. So now you bought a whole book for $4 that you can use as a bonus. Now, if we go back and this goes for any niche. So all you can do is search the niche and then PLR after it, and it will come up with a bunch of different things you can look at as PLR products. And if you don't want to do it that specific, you can also just search PLR products and some other things will come up as well. So these are just different sites that you can take a look at. If we just clicked on one, they will come up with stuff, and you can try and search stuff throughout here. And basically this is just a really great way to find some bonuses that are cheap, and you might have to do some digging to find some great quality ones. But there are some really great PLR products. I've used them in the past, and you can just go onto those sites and look for certain content.
When it comes to bonuses that fall underneath the spoken word, you can do things like audiobooks, interviews, you can give video trainings and just hop on video and teach somebody something. You could also do events. I know that's a little bit harder with the state that our world is in. Another great idea when it comes to spoken word bonuses is collecting or gathering hard to find things. So let's say you wanted to find a couple YouTube videos related to the product you're selling. And so you go and search for these hard to find YouTube videos, but you can go and offer and collect them as a bonus, and you go and assemble these. So yes, the people who are buying the product could go and take the time to find all these themselves, but you've just saved them hours of time by finding videos or podcasts or blog posts related to the product, so they don't have to go do that. They get more information, more value with less work. When it comes to physical products, this one is pretty self-explanatory, but if you can find some physical products that are cheap for you to get and deliver to your customers that are related to the product, then awesome. People love physical products, whether it's t-shirts or keychains or mugs or merch, whatever it is that you can offer as a bonus, either for free or at a discount. That is a great idea when it comes to coming up with ideas for your bonuses. When it comes to miscellaneous bonus ideas, you can offer things like your time. You can do one-on-one coaching or offer a 30-minute phone call, or you can do things like offering access to your private Facebook group or giving a discount to people for maybe a more expensive course or training or event. I know I just threw a bunch of ideas at you guys. I hope you were taking notes, but before you hop off this video, I wanted to actually show you some real life examples of bonuses that other affiliate marketers are using, including myself, to promote affiliate marketing products. So let's go dive onto my computer.
So for today, I'm going to show you guys 3 different bonus offers for the same affiliate product. And that product is the One Funnel Away Challenge. If you guys don't know what the One Funnel Away Challenge is, I have several videos on this channel that I will link down in the description below. But to start out, we're going to look at my affiliate page. So this is a 1-page sales funnel, and we're just going to scroll down, and right here at the top, I have a description of what everyone's going to get in the One Funnel Away Challenge. So there's that, but now I have a list of my bonuses. So I have 5 bonuses that I offer people for free if they buy the One Funnel Away Challenge through me. So that first bonus is essentially a motivational kit, and so you get things like a PDF and podcast episodes and some videos that really helped me through the One Funnel Away Challenge, because it can get overwhelming pretty quickly, and so I created this to help motivate people through those hard times and when you feel discouraged. I also offer some Canva graphics, over 10 templates, and those are all available, and you can use those in the free version of Canva. And so I know when people are starting to build funnels and build products, they want to build infographics. And so I have made this process 10 times easier by offering Canva graphics. I offer a ClickFunnels training, because I know a lot of people who go through the One Funnel Away Challenge get ClickFunnels and start using it for the first time, and learning a new software can be really overwhelming and scary, and so I try and give them this ClickFunnels survival guide to help them work through learning how to use ClickFunnels. I also give them a free funnel. So this funnel that you're on right now and looking at, I give them this funnel, and so they can have something already pre-built if they want to be an affiliate, not even just for the One Funnel Away Challenge, but for anything. They can use this as a template. And then I also made a video of the top deadly mistakes to avoid in the One Funnel Away Challenge. I've taken it twice now, and so I've used and created this list of things to avoid and what I would do differently if I took the One Funnel Away Challenge. So those are the bonuses I offer. Now let's go over to another person's bonuses, and this guy's name is Steven Larson. He actually is a coach in the One Funnel Away Challenge, but he also offers bonuses for joining. So similar to my page, he's got, what the challenge actually is. So he tells you what to expect, and then he kind of gives you a rundown of what Russell's giving you. So essentially very similar to what I did, but obviously you can see the layout is very different. So he's just, again, recapping what Russell gives you in the One Funnel Away Challenge. These are the bonuses that Russell gives you. Now down here as we scroll, these are the bonuses that you're getting from Steve. So if you buy the One Funnel Away Challenge through his affiliate link, this is what you'll get. So he went and created the 30 Days audiobook. So this is a book you get with the One Funnel Away Challenge, but it's a physical copy, or now it's only available online, but he went and made an audiobook of it and then gave you a discount to one of his events. He gave you a training, Find Your Voice training, a pre-built affiliate bridge share funnel, so very similar to what I did. He's giving you a bridge page that you can use as an affiliate marketer, and a blockbuster call, so he's giving you the opportunity to connect with one of the members of his team and work through some things that you may need help with, and then also a mini course. So those are the bonuses that he's offering. And again, as you can see, when I talked at the beginning of this video of adding monetary value, this is what I'm talking about. So he's doing that, and then I also do that within my bonuses as well, as add the monetary value. Now, the last example I want to show you guys, his name is Spencer Meekum. He also is offering a bonus for the One Funnel Away Challenge, but as you can see, his funnel looks very different. And so there's lots of different ways you can use funnels and bonuses to get the results you want. But right now, Spencer, he just made a video describing what he's giving you, and he's giving you access to Affiliate Linker Pro, which is a software, and you get access to that if you buy the One Funnel Away Challenge. So he has a video describing what you get and what it is all about, and then he has a button linked here that's his affiliate link and redirects you to the One Funnel Away Challenge. So that's what his funnel looks like, and as you can see, all three of us are an affiliate for the same product, but our funnels and bonuses are all very different and help people do very different things.
So there you guys go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer them. But really, I think this strategy is so important, and all the best affiliate marketers in the world are doing this. They're adding their own bonuses, they're adding their own little spice. I don't think this was as big of a deal in affiliate marketing back 5 years ago, but now it is. If you're going to stand out in the crowd, if you're going to be an affiliate marketer who can make a full-time income from this, you need to be adding your own bonuses. Is it going to be a little bit more work? Yes. But if you can create bonuses that actually add to the product, help people get results, you're going to be making so many more sales than you would before. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It means the world to me and helps support my channel. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes.